Well, hello guys. Welcome to my new series. Uh, SIMS 4, I guess. So let's start a new game. No thanks. Don't ask me this again. I have some custom content. Don't have a lot. That's the thing that sucks. But I have some. I have to get famous and everything. I don't have a lot of custom content, but it's okay, right? I like to make all my kids like bad girls and bad boys. I'm not a big fan of creating boys, maybe because I suck at it. But no, do you like your Sims big lips? Those are too big on his head. I think it's just gonna be me family. I like meeting the teenager first, so the teenager is like, I usually make all my teenagers pretty and everything. But then the rest of the family. Um, I forgot what it was on. I haven't played this in a while. Do I want to use this? No, I don't think I do. I'll be doing this. No, of course not. I don't think I want to give her braces. But I'm sorry if you guys hear that. It's just my dog. He's really annoying. I don't have a lot of cooking content, so I need to get more. You should go CC shop. Shh. Yeah, I will. CC shopping is not my thing. No offense to people who it is, but it's just not my thing. Charger now. What? I need the charger. Sorry, guys. It's hard to me to get up and walk and everything. Well, it's not. I have crutches. Well, guys, I would try to make this succeed, but I'm not good at that. I'm a big fan of using custom content. Here we go. This is cute. Like, mm-mm. And that's mm-mm. Oh, so you guys in bed? Well, hello guys. So this is our family. This is Rose Price. She is a teenager. Um, she is a party animal. This sim wants to throw a party and attend amazing parties. These sim needs happy and have fun. When performing household chores can be cleaning, frizz, and become really comfortable in dirty surroundings. It's flirty. This is your everyday outfit. Second everyday, third, fourth, fifth. Well, this is her school. This is for that. I thought I just wasn't going to show any of that because I really don't care. Party. Swimwear. No, I don't care. Here's that's really bad. Well, this is Rose Price. And Rose Price, this is her sister. She is gonna be independent. No, she's gonna be charmer. But she's gonna be wild. Well, this is her. Second everyday, third everyday, fourth everyday. This is her. I just thought I was really good kid. Just leave words. And then there's this one where really doesn't matter. Well, this is the Price family. I'm not. I'm actually gonna add. What do you guys want? Add a dog or cat? We're gonna add a cat because she already has enough on her hands. I have black cats. I have two black cats and one bee cat. They're mostly the same, just Boomby Cat is a little bit smaller size. Tuxedo. Tuxedo's cats are cute. All cats are cute, but Tuxedo. I want to make them. Yes, but you are not going to be annoying. They're going to be really fat. Can I hear me? Oh my cats be chill. Oh, you are. You're male, okay. No, you are not going to be that. You're going to be that. Fluffy. And playful. Butter. Well, no, I'm not going to. Noodle. Okay, hi, Noodle. Well, I think this is going to be the family we choose. Alright, let's get them into a lot. Alright, I'm gonna upload them on a gallery. Because she's a you little cute. Alright, where should we live? Alright, I think we have moved, but we're gonna have to have a small house. Next when you guys come back on, I'll probably have, I don't want to live in the city. I think we want to live in New Crest. So when you guys come back on, there will be, this village will kind of be the town I kind of built up. Well, if you haven't already, check out my other series, well, my other videos. They're not series yet, well, they're gonna be series. Like the Roblox one is just like Roblox you play in everywhere. We only play Bloxburg. But me and my sister, check out my sister's, I think her YouTube channel, I think it's called Brooke Simmons. We're back. Oh, the positivity challenge. I don't care. Well, if you guys hear anything in the background, sorry for that. There's music playing and everything, but bye.